This joint was mad janky, bro. What's good? 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 I'm gonna give it a minute. Give it a minute. Let people roll in. Let the YouTube live load up. But welcome to Late Night Leverage. This is number 2 Wednesday night. Live trading, live market analysis. I'm your co-host Zay. We got my other co-host Drez and Quadree in the building. What's good, fellas?
Chilling. What's happening? What's popping? The YouTube world. What's going on? Good evening. Good evening.
So, man, how was y'all day, man? Got some downside follow through. You know what I mean? I think we
1.3%.
did we talked about that last night? I think we said that.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We said we would like to see follow through today.
Yeah. So yeah, how was y'all day?
It was good for me. Caught the shorts. I caught the shorts at what Drake called Magic Hour, and I caught the shorts at the Open.
Yeah.
So,
nice bounce back day for you, right, Quadree?
Yes, sir.
Word.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Getting confidence back.
Yes, sir.
How about you, Dre?
Had a good, beautiful day today, bro. Today was so very clean today, the chart.
Yeah. Today, your kind of day, you know?
Yeah. I had to remind myself why I like to short so much.
Yeah, when that Zen come out. Was that Yoda?
Oh, that Zen? Yeah. Oh, he about to come out.
Yeah.
So yeah, and same here, man. Nice bounce back day. I probably could have had an even better.
He would have had like 2 racks on that gold short.
Bruh. Oh my god. So yeah, first of all, I did have good trading. I probably could have held a lot longer. I don't know, a little bit of psyche where I had got killed the day before. So I was just like, man, let me get some green on the board. So I was happy to get some green. So I was like, I'm gonna just chill. But yeah, I did take a paper short on gold, and my goodness, that thing it hit TP and kept going. And that thing it went to the fib level of like I think I had 37.66 or something like that. It made it all the way down there and ended up bouncing towards the end of the day. But yeah, that was crazy. So yeah, but shout out to Strat King. I see he's first in the chat. And my guy, shout out. Listen, I love people that tune in to our show every night because the people that tune in plus us, we be on it. And last night I told Strat King, I said, hey, yo, ES, or I said SPX and SPY, not so much the ES, had an outside day. And so, world, when you get them, I ain't going front. This probably one or two things that I take away from the Strat that I really like. Outside days and the inside bars, right? The outside days, when you take out a high and a low, that shit makes technicals so straightforward. Because to get continuation, you gotta take out the high and close above that bitch. To go lower, you gotta take out that low and close above that bitch. And you are like direction is so clear. Like I love those outside bars. That's probably my favorite. That's like my new favorite thing now. So when it came to the SPX, all I was like, yo, I came into the day with a little bit of a bearish bias because I'm like, the only way we go to the upside is if we take out 66.99 on SPX. I don't think we go back to 700. And to the downside, you said what?
Especially when you looked at the 4 hour this morning when you woke up.
Yeah. It ain't looking. And so, with that being said, I'm like, bruh, all we gotta do is take out 66.45. Let me pull up my chart. Let me go to SPX. And Strat King, yeah, definitely executed, bro. For sure. But yeah, so yesterday's low was 66.45 on SPX. So as long, I was just waiting for us to go ahead and take that out. And then once we took once we took this low out, I'm like, bet it's a gap right here. I'm like, we definitely probably gonna go down to 66.30.
Yeah.
I did get a little bit of SPX action. And yeah, I mean, overall, it was a good trading day. I mean, we went straight down to my chart. We tested the FOMC candle. We tested the high, which was 66.26. We tapped that, bounced up a little bit, but I really just think, they saving more of the downside for tomorrow. So yeah, I mean, again, with direction, at least from a SPX perspective, I'll be honest. Tonight, going in tomorrow, I'm still thinking more downside, bro.
Definitely, I
You
feel
know,
it.
like the only way we could completely reverse this is if we get back above Wednesday or today's high, which is 66.72, and we would have to close above that. And I mean, we'll see, but I think with other technical signals that I have, I think with the retailer's mindset, some dip buyers probably stepped in and bought this. Not saying it's not possible, but I think market makers might want to use that mindset against people tomorrow, where a lot of folks are thinking reversal Thursday, and I think they just gonna come in. I hope they flush it. Like, I would like to see a 1% down day tomorrow. Maybe come down to about 65, 80, 65, 70 on SPX, and have a nice, really just covering all these gaps, all of this, getting back to this September 11th close right here, which is 65.87. If another kind of like little confluence that I have is the monthly fib, Dre, on SPX. So if I zoom in on this, the last update I had hold on, let me zoom in some more. So the last update I did was, I don't even know what day this was, but you can see the extensions was 65.88 and 66.90 on the monthly fib. We made it to 66.99. So we did make it up to it. And now we back under the 66.90. We back under that. So coming back to this 1.2 extension is 65.88. So again, I think we could get that. And then I'm looking at my daily 20-day EMA that's sitting at this 65.70 area. Like I said, the close on September 11th was 65.87. So I just got a bunch of confluences. And so yeah, man, I'm gonna just say it straight like this. I am, and so this is another thing I'm gonna start doing. I'm not saying bull or bearish. I'm either a seller or a buyer. I'm a seller. That don't mean I'm bearish. I'm just a seller right now. Sellers got control of the market short term.
Yeah.
So I'm selling.
Yeah.
So
I like it.
That's
at least you got your plan that you want, so that's important, right?
Correct. That's what I'm sitting on right there. That's what I'm looking at. So yeah, what y'all fellas looking at? You want to go first, Dre? I'll pull your screen up. Quadree.
I'm still getting it set up.
All right, let's go to Dre. On that note, while I'm getting Dre up, we got Chap in the building. Was good. We got Brooke Lino. Evening late night leverage trans. I like the LNN. What's good, Brooke?
Yes.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro?
Strat King said he took the 66.05, 75 cents to $3. Nice.
Let's go.
We broke structure on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Like I had said, we stopped short of yesterday. Yep. And then Carl is in the building. What's good, Carl? All the magic hour levels were hit. Yes, sir. What's good, Carl?
Yeah.
Dre, what you looking at, brother? Talk to us about the NQ, my guy. What you seeing, man? I gave my ES assessment, and let's talk a little bit about it.
Right now, I see a little push first. We want to, for me to go down, I want to see up here again, like today was, Last night we started. If I want us to make a higher day first for us to come down. during New York hours. So I would like for that to happen. So I would like the market to go up between Asia and London, create a higher day, and then drop later on. If I see the opposite going down, then could be downside. Then we could see some
It's just gonna be a
New
big
York.
down red day, bruh.
Yeah, could be nasty. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, especially
So
if you lose
this
tomorrow.
is a quick key level, 620 for me. We lose this low. Yes, we could see 498s, even 420s tomorrow. Yeah. So that would be like a 2% day, I would.
Mm-hmm.
A 1%, yeah, 1.5, yeah. 1% gets you here to 24 490s, and one 1.27 to get you to 420s. Yeah. So I don't know. I got to see more information.
I feel
For
it.
me, yeah, I want to see. For me to show, I want to see it to get up here, make
Gotcha.
a higher day. Yeah. Hmm.
You know what else comes out tomorrow? I'll be interested to see. We get sentiment update tomorrow.
Mm. Yeah.
I'm not on Bitcoin futures.
You and
Oh,
what?
paper trade or you live?
Paper.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Testing it
Yeah.
out. Testing it out. Getting right.
Yes, sir.
I feel it, dog. I feel it. I feel it.
I gotta get that fundings back up to where they need to be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And actually, talking about Bitcoin, it did have a good day. Actually, you know what? Let me pull it up on my screen real quick. Go back to the dark theme. So Strat King. And then I'm telling you, I love these outside bars, bro. But Bitcoin on the daily put in an outside bar. So got the high. It's looking like it's gonna close above this. If it can close above this high,
Yeah.
that's good stuff. And so with that being said, Bitcoin is very, the technicals get a lot easier. We got to get above this level right here, which is basically 114,000 to see, continuation to the upside. And if we're gonna see any downside move, we got to go below 111. Until then, as long as we between that zone, it's just choppity chop chop chop.
Yeah. Up and down, all around.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Until we get out of one of these, until we get above this high or below this low.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to talk about Intel just asking anybody for money.
Huh?
Intel just asking anybody for money.
Okay, so
They're like, you got bread, we accept it.
right. All right, so it's two things I think we do gotta we could definitely talk about Intel, but there's one thing we definitely got to talk about. And this is something that I don't think is really I haven't seen a lot of retailers talking about it, so I think we'll cover it. But this Argentina situation.
Yeah.
We definitely, we'll get into that. But first, let's talk about Intel for a second. So Intel got a pop 6.4% today on the strength that they asked Apple for an investment.
Yes.
Now I think this is funny because not too long ago they sold, I want to say, their modem business, or they sold a part of their business to Apple.
Yes, they did.
And then Apple also phased out of using Intel products.
Yes, they did.
So I find it so funny that they go into Apple for money. Like, I hope Apple say no.
But they like, yo, we got a video on board. What you mean? We got the best company in our pocket.
Right, you're right. And no, first of all, they got Nvidia and they got the president. So if you want to, keep everything popping, Trump, like, you better put that money up. So to that effect, I wouldn't be surprised if Apple does it. Plus, Apple has so much cash. I mean, what's $5 billion to Apple? You sitting on $100 billion.
And then you got to think about who was at that meeting. And Jensen was there.
Yeah.
And Tim Cook was there.
Yeah. So they're gonna try to make Intel great again. And so I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. Now, I just noticed that, and it says Intel has gained 15.9 billion in investments. You got the 10 billion from the government for the equity stake. You got 5 billion from Nvidia. You got like another, what they get from SoftBank, like 2 or 3 billion or something like that.
A couple, yeah. It was that easy for asking for money, man. I'm asking the wrong people. I need to be asking for. I'm aiming too low. I need to start asking for. Real.
So, facts. You ain't lying, bro. You ain't not lying. So, yeah. So they asked, Apple, for an investment, and we gonna see.
They will say enough.
Yeah, where do I sign up? But I'll say this: my Intel leap's looking good after today.
I'm like 160%.
Yeah, bro, I take that pop. So I'm chilling. Hey, look, Quadree. This one of the things. This why I really, really fucks with you, my man. This is why I love you, my G, because I don't believe in Intel at all. But what do we say? It don't matter if we believe in it. This shit just gotta go up. Yo, and now look at all these people bringing money.
Bro, literally
keep it coming, dog.
Literally a week from now, the aftermath is crazy, bro.
Huh?
Literally a week later, that junk up like crazy.
Yeah, we up over 30%, bro. When we talked about it, it was in the 24s.
Yep.
And we got that pop that was up 22%. Now we right back to where we is. So it's up 25%. And yeah, man. So
usually when we see that setup, we gonna continue to go.
Yeah, we getting there. I mean, shit, for the month, Intel is up 28%, bro. And you look at this bottom and that accumulation there. It's breaking out. We getting back to some key moving averages. So I think we get to 35 pretty easily.
Yeah.
And so yeah,
I can see that. Yeah. I can see that happening.
Intel,
yeah,
pretty quick too. Pretty quick. I mean, you think about it on the yearly wise. Damn, yearly wise it's up 55%, and you realize that.
Yeah.
So all right. So that's Intel, right? That's Intel. So let's talk a quick second about this. And Dre, I got you back up on the screen, bro. Because I know people want to see the NQ. So let's talk about and Carl, Oklo, bro, they don't make no money. And to be honest, I took a Oklo short today. But yeah, Oklo don't make no revenue. They was up like 80 some odd percent this month. I definitely took a short today in Oklo. That it's got to come back to reality. So yeah. Transparent, I'm short Oklo right now, but yeah, that breakout is crazy.
We love that company.
Chips. Yeah, we do need to power these chips, but dog, they make no money. Oklo don't make no money, and so that chart just makes no sense. But on another note, though, this Argentina situation.
Yes.
So so I don't know if people really know what's going on. So me and my buddy Chat GPT had a good conversation, and I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna pull it up so we can. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it up so I can show y'all what happened here. But while I'm getting up the conversation that I had with ChatGPT, if I can get to it. Give me 1 second. What's good, Larry?
Hey. Yeah, I'm learning how to catch straight like Larry, bro. I caught at 185
100
trade.
points.
185 today.
Woo.
To the downside.
Get it.
Yeah.
Well, of course, we definitely didn't go to the upside.
Yeah. Facts.
Yeah. Hold up. If I can find. It's taking a second for my chat GPT to load up. Okay. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, so let me blow this up. And I'm gonna take this down real quick, Dre, and then go here. So is that clear? Hopefully people can see that. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, that's good. Okay. All right. So this Argentina stuff, right? So what's happening in Argentina? From what I understand, Argentina has essentially like they no longer are using their peso. They've basically said, hey, we're going to use the US dollar. Right. And so because of that, the Argentine peso has devalued sharply as their citizens and investors flee to the US dollar. Right. Dollars leaving the country, weakening confidence in assets, making imports and debt servicing much more expensive. The government is intervening in exchange rates to try to stabilize the peso, but that's often a short-term fix. You got some political instability. You got some debt burdens. Argentina is heavily indebted. You got falling revenue, inflation, currency weakness. And so you got when the U.S. Treasury hinted at stepping in, swap lines, bond purchases, Argentine financial assets rallied, the peso strength temporarily on the back of those signals. So yeah, you basically got a country that devalued their currency, and now they having hyperinflation. And now you got America, who has our own problems, about to step in and bail them out. That's only going to make our money. That's only going to cause more inflation or yields to go up more over here. So I think this is, and Dre, you'll appreciate this. This is very much giving me carry trade vibes, bro.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the U.S. planning to do? The U.S. is negotiating, or it has finalized, a $20 billion swap line with Argentine Central Bank. So we giving Argentina $20 billion, right? Essentially, to kind of help them stabilize things. However, the U.S. insists they aren't committed to an outright bailout. Trump framed it as helping rather than rescue. That's bullshit, because we just saw it's a temporary thing, right? It's only going to help for so long, right? The idea is to act as a backstop, assurance the U.S. will support if things get worse, preventing a full-blown collapse. So that's the biggest thing, is that we trying to help them from a full-blown collapse. What happens if it collapses? We basically said we're going to support y'all. This is a problem. Now, why would the U.S. intervene? Is because Argentina went to the U.S. dollar, right? So we don't want that crisis to ripple over to us. This is why I think this is an issue, because if they do, right, the collapse could send shockwaves to the global credit markets, especially for investors and exposures in emerging markets, right? We want to protect U.S. banks and hedge funds who hold Argentine debt. A default would hit them. By stepping in, U.S. help protects its own financial system from losses, right? You got some political shit. The dollar, stabilize the dollar because that's central, right? Crisis. That's what we were saying. Now, here's the risks, criticisms, and downsides. You got moral hazard, right? If the government accept U.S. or if governments accept U.S. rescues, they may take on more risks. Market discipline is weak. Domestic backlash. U.S. taxpayers may have to subsidize this. You got structural problems. The intervention is a patch, not a cure. Without deep reforms, this is short-lived. That's what we're talking about. Debt traps. The U.S. may impose conditions that could be politically unpopular in Argentina. You got opportunity costs. U.S. resources could be used elsewhere. Defense, social spending, stuff like that. So bottom line is, U.S. is signaling direct financial support to stabilize Argentina via swap lines and bond buying. That's a major shift. The support is meant to prevent a collapse, restore confidence, but not fully bail them out. The success depends heavily on Argentina's ability to create reforms and political stability ahead of elections. Bro, this is some bullish. If they fail, the U.S. may be drawn into a deeper engagement and deeper losses. Larry asked ChatGPT what was their main resources, and it's Financial Times, Barron's, and all of this. So AP News, Reuters, Financial Times, Barron's. So yeah, all credible sources in my book. So Strat King said that's wild. He don't want them here, but giving them money, and that 20 billion is going to be a land resource acquisition tied to the U.S. giving it. Yeah, I think there's definitely going to be some back end shit there. But what you was going to say, Quadree? So yeah, so that in a sense is this whole Argentina.
I'm saying I think it's a bigger play. It's a bigger play.
Talk to us. Elaborate. Bigger play where?
It's kind of like with the comments.
And I got your screen up too, so we can see your trade. But go ahead.
Not that short, but yeah, I just think it's a bigger play. Like the comments said, something somewhere where we're gonna be able to own some pretty much the whole country or something. Maybe be America. I'm not even. You know how he think. We already.
Yeah. You're right. Like Argentina definitely got some valuable resources down there
too. Yeah, it's something. Yeah. In fact, we need to look at what resources is coming out of there. It's something down there that because why would you do that? Why would you put yourself? It's like betting on a losing team.
Right.
So this
right.
They collapsing and you going to try to help save it. That don't even make sense. So you go into that. So now, who knows what they owe? You tying that to us. We already owe trillions of dollars.
Yeah.
So add that to our debt calculator, then it got to be something else. Mm-hmm. Either got something to do with acquisition of land.
I know why. I know why. You know why?
Land, position of power to get close to it in a war or something like that, or some resources down there.
Yeah, that's what Larry said.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The 20 billion is going to be land/resource acquisition. Mm-hmm. What you were saying, Dre?
Argentina is one of the biggest reserve in lithium, bro.
Oh,
that joint been running too.
Okay. Wait, and they just came out with that BS news about them trying to invest in that lithium company.
Let me see something real quick.
We want lithium.
Okay, you're right. That's the bigger play.
You got to see that.
Look at lithium. You see it?
Yeah.
That was today.
Yep.
There you go.
No, go look at LAC. That's that company that, and I believe they're based out of Argentina.
Wow.
Are they based out of Argentina?
It's 84. Oh, 84, my bad.
If you just scroll down and look at the details. Keep going to it should have the company description. It's all the way at the bottom. Here you go. Hey, what's the headquarters? Look at the headquarters. You gotta just click on that. Oh, Canada. Okay, all right. I was about to say, bro, if that shit was Argentina, dog. Oh my god.
But still, this
lithium. Yeah, lithium. They got lithium, bro. That's what we want.
Yeah, you're right.
For the bullshit, bro.
Yep, that's the play. That's the play. So Strat King, we'll get to that question in a second. I got you. Larry said he agrees a bigger play. He said, look at how China doing Jamaica. Yep. King Rome, what's good? King Rome, what's good, my guy? Larry said batteries. Yep. Was that lithium? That was lithium, Carl. that chart that he showed. So okay, so let's break this down real quick. We have now uncovered the real motive behind Argentina.
Wow.
Now it is a sticky situation that could cause, like I said, this could be some carry trade drama here. But the bigger play is, do not be surprised to see something come out of this involving lithium. Right? Now, if you really look at the pieces that's on the board, they just came out talking about they trying to make an investment in a lithium company. And then now we know that Argentina has one of the biggest lithium resources in the world.
Right.
So if you pair that together, right, we can see what's going on here. So just something to be mindful of. You know what I mean? Just be something to be mindful of. And yeah. So Larry said, and look where U.S. already got the majority of batteries from. So to make a move now makes U.S. a bigger producer. Yep, that's facts.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add another layer. The lithium not to play. What equipment would be used to mine it? I don't know. That's a good question. Pack Trades is in the building. He said, "What's going on, guys? What's good, Pack Trades?"
That's my guy right there. See, what up, baby?
I'm not really sure, Larry. You got me on that one, but I don't. So that's we can continue that convo, right? Continue that going. What I will say though is, getting now. I want to get to Strat King's question, which is how about FINRA removing the pattern day trading rule pending SEC approval? Retail gonna go bankrupt. I think it's just I would look at it like this. It's just a sign of what's about to happen. I think the fourth quarter and the first quarter of 2026 is about to be absolutely crazy. But it could be, a setup once we get into 2026, right? But yeah, I mean, somebody made a joke in my community chat. They said, "RIP to all the blown accounts coming soon."
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So yeah, people gonna go crazy, man. It's just only. Well, here's what I will say: with that PDT rule going, you definitely saw an uptick in Robinhood as far as the stock price. So this definitely is going to benefit your Robinhood, your Webull, your trading platforms, because now people are going to be doing more trading. That's more fee money, right? That they're going to be able to collect. So while we joke around and say, hey, people going to blow their accounts, but at the end of the day, these trading platforms, they finna be making a lot more money off these trading fees.
Bro, what's crazy is though, like, you gotta think about it. Like, our generation, they don't play the lottery.
Woo! Let's go, babe. But I'm long for 40.
Yeah, I'm long too.
Man, y'all bold, bro.
What you mean?
I'm telling you, I don't think it's gonna be too much of a long, bro. They finna
I'm taking it to the high here.
They finna sell this shit, bro. I see a big gap down coming, sell all day.
Yeah, what I'm wanting to do is I want to take this high and then probably sweep down.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, NQ a little different than the ES. I've just noticed I don't see the ES making no push. So I'm just saying like that. And we about to go into 8 o'clock too. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I'm about to take profit before the hour.
So yeah. Larry said that's where the money made, the shovels and the picks. That's facts. Larry said 22,500. Ooh, Larry, big bearish. Yeah. He said, "Look at the month." Yeah. I'm with you. I'm with you, Larry. That's why I said they bold, but I know they also, they looking at lower time frames and stuff like that. So, I don't see it. I think this is one of them nights where we get an overnight sale and they literally about to sell this shit all day, all night and day. You said I think we push up tonight, then gap and trap tomorrow. I mean, it's possible. I'm just letting
That's
y'all
what I
know.
want to see right there. Yeah.
I don't see it.
Yeah.
And this and the fact that y'all not you personally, but the fact that like you saying that Black Swan is exactly what I said in the beginning of the show, which is that retail's mindset is reversal Thursday. They about to use that again. Market makers going to use that shit against people. And when I go look at the cash session structure, I don't know. I'm just gonna tell y'all be cautious, and if you are playing to the upside, make sure you play that shit quick, cause I think they about to lay the hammer tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we got news at 8:30 too.
Today? Wow.
We do got news tonight too. I think it passed. I think it was at 7:20. Yeah, we got news at 7:50 that just happened. Japan, okay. SPPI. What the heck is SPPI?
He said, Larry said, we need a good pullback to the downside to set up for a great Santa rally. Agreed, bruh. Strat King say, Lafo, yeah, everybody thinking Wednesday's low of the week. Exactly. I'm telling you, man, that retail mindset is a bitch, bruh. I know. I'm telling you. Yeah, I literally already journaled for tomorrow. We got, and so yeah, Larry, I was just about to answer your question. Red photos tomorrow is GDP and unemployment at 8:30. And I already wrote in my notes, my bias for tomorrow is definitely, bearish. And really, I'm saying fade retail dip buyers, because I know retail bought the dip. We got into the gap. We hit that FOMC candle, but the only one that didn't hit the FOMC candle is the NQ. So if the NQ really get a sell off, that's going to bring the rest of the market down.
It definitely is.
But
then like we would want to see but then like to that point we would want to see a push up tonight for us to sell off tomorrow.
But then again, I'd rather us get a gap down, because then that allows for that can get you the dead cat bounce into that gap. The whole going up and coming down, like that would be perfect structure. Sometimes the market don't operate efficiently. So I don't want the market to operate efficiently tonight. Sell this bitch down. So then Friday, then maybe we could get like a little whoop-de-doo into that gap. Shit, all them gaps we had coming up, let's get some gaps coming down. So yeah, man. Yeah, I think everybody was thinking reversal Thursday, so I don't know, man. And here's my thing too, is if you had a lot of dip buyers at the end of the day, i.e. this wick, thinking reversal Thursday, what better way to gap down, and then now all of them is trapped. So we'll see. I mean, we definitely could push up, no doubt about it. We definitely could push up, but from what I see, at least again, this is just the ES for me. The NQ do its thing, but the way how I'm seeing it, and I see an early 3-bar reversal on the daily.
Yeah, I see. I don't know, bro.
I mean, yeah, we might go up, but I'm telling you, by the close tomorrow, we're gonna be low. We're gonna be down. That's where I'm at. I think tomorrow is gonna be a bearish day.
The thing with me is like this gotta be then the week that they flip the switch for that to happen. That means this weekly candle gonna be red.
Yeah.
And it's gonna engulf this candle.
Yeah. It's about time. We need it.
I don't know.
We need it. Shit. We need it. We need this. We need a we need a good
That'd be a
shock
2%
moment
day.
because dip bars is
That'd be
mm-hmm.
yeah. To engulf this
Matter of fact,
weekly
we talked
candle.
about it last night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Larry said it. We need a good 300, 400 point day where we just straight sell down 300-400 points on the NQ.
I mean, the data is nasty. Yes, I see it happening.
Thanks here.
Huh?
Yeah, the data. I don't
Yeah,
think
the job
data.
number.
I don't even think it matters. The data. I just think it's.
That's why I'm
Yes, it
thank you,
matters.
Quadree. It don't matter, bro. The market looking for any and every excuse, bro. They sold off because Powell said the market fairly valued, bro. They are searching.
No,
they
this sale was home sales was nasty today.
Hmm.
Home sale was
Oh, you know what
nasty
else
today.
I wanted to look at? I wanted to see what does what else has been looking nasty too is the breath. We keep going like we keep kind of like staying up, but the breath of the market keeps deteriorating. Let's point this out too. The market was red today, and the VIX was red today.
Yep.
The VIX been acting on some funny shit too.
I took profit here. 52. I got 30 points.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, now let's let the selling resume. Shit. Sell this shit down, bro. Stop playing, man.
And this will be like so. Well, Monday being bullish like it was, pretty much that probably set the high for the week. And then,
for sure.
This is the thing. What I see, right? This right here. This is a weekly level, bro. For them to sell this tomorrow, they have to get below this low, 620s. Then I can be like, I bet we're going down. The fact that they hold this tonight, yesterday, well, today afternoon, there's some weekly buyers here, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's some weekly buyers here. Now, depending on what data tells me tomorrow, then yes, I can see a nasty red mean candle.
Mm-hmm.
But tonight, I won't look for sure. I want to hear this is discount. I want it premium.
I mean, we all want stuff. It's all about what the market gonna do. You can want it all you want.
But yeah. And look at it right here, like this. Did you see this? Nah, bro. There's too much buying there. Yeah, we moved what? 100, how many points? 130 points this afternoon. That bounce was 30 points in less than 2 hours.
Yeah, but that's all stops. They stopped out people that was long. That wick that wick is price rejection, but that's to me how I see that is that was just people getting stopped out. It bounced up. They was trying to hurry up and get out because we going further down. So
I'm about the TP.
Yeah.
Come on, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Let's see what.
Yeah, fuck it. If it go up, just give me a better entry to go short. I'll take it.
I'm there with you 100%.
Up TP.
Let's go. Yeah, this shit.
I don't just blasted through.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Yeah, we're going to 70s.
So probably do something like it did last night.
Now we took that high out right at 8 o'clock. All right. That's why
let's see what it do.
Yeah. Got that right perfect. Now.
Come on, 8 o'clock. Do what you do.
I want to see it short.
What was that? Oh, that was the 11 o'clock candle. And then the biggest, I guess, like the biggest red candle on the NQ. Because at the 11, it kind of just chopped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After 11.
Carl said, I want stuff, right? It could go back test that area. We still closed on the daily below yesterday's low, so the rule is close under. See, that's where I'm at with it, Strat King. We closed below the daily yesterday, so the rule is close under. Expect more downside. Yeah, I don't really care about this goddamn overnight, this little push up. If anything, that's just to create the futures wick to the upside. We get to tomorrow. I got us gonna have more downside.
Hey, it's different. I don't know. I know.
You said there were several.
That's not true, right there. That's not necessarily true.
He said that's the rule. It don't make ain't nothing 100%.
Well, who rules? ICT rule? Who rules?
No, that ain't no ICT rule. That's just normal technicals. If you close below, you should expect continuation. Just if you close above, you would expect more continuation.
Yeah, well, look. All right, so if I'm looking at the daily, I'll expect more downside tomorrow.
Right.
Based off of, but we would. That's why I'm saying. I think we are. I'm bearish. Well, not bearish. I'm a seller. I'm gonna say what you said. I'm a seller for tomorrow.
Right. I'm just a seller.
But and that's me, Dre. That's based off of just looking at the candles. We would literally have to take out that high, today's high.
Bro, you got data, bro. What you mean?
Yeah. On data could
we got look, bro. This right here.
We had to take out.
Huh?
We had to take out 24,911. Well, I mean, we could do it.
The thing is, for them to do that, that means this week it is gonna flip. The script that they have for 20. Let me see how many.
But you saying that like it's not possible though, Dre?
It is. No, it is. But only that I could take. Like tonight, this short is not happening. What? Let me see. Where is it?
Oh,
bro. This is being right. 41 out of 46 weeks. We don't go below this level. Right.
But it's not 100%, Dre. That's all I'm gonna say. This could be that. This could be that one where it's what 47, 42 out of 47, bro.
Yeah,
I get what you're saying. I do. I do hear you. Where it's a very high probability where you know what I mean. It don't go against it. So yeah, I trust me. I feel you. But my thing is, bro, this market it can be unpredictable at times. You know what I mean? There just when you think like it's like, oh, we got to figure it out, them niggas will throw this, they'll switch that shit. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So again, I'm with you. I hear you. High probability. I understand. However, we just can't keep gassing like this, bro. And the fact that everybody thinks that we can, again, like Eric talk, it's the stool. Sometimes your macro and fundamentals take over, and then your technicals have to adjust. So, it's one of those times where I think we about to hit a spot where, and this is why I think we're at that spot where things just ain't gonna make sense, because it's already happening where last night gold was falling with the NQ falling. That ain't a normal, that's not normal. The VIX is up, the market is up. That's not normal. The VIX was down, the market was down. That's not normal. We're not seeing normal activity. So there's something up that just ain't right. And usually when you get in them type of situations, that's when you have things that they be acting funny. They be acting funny.
Yeah, that's true. All sure.
That's all that that's all I'm saying. Like it's just the market is just at a spot where shit is really weird.
Let me see.
Previously made, right? Yeah, that was the target. 27, 2470, right? Now we reject his hard here. Okay. But if we keep going, we're gonna go up probably yesterday 9:30.
If anything, it'll do like what it did last night, which is if you look at the 12 hour, right? The 12 hour, it did print a green candle, it was like 72 points. But then once we got to 6 o'clock,
Yeah.
it was straight, it sold the rest of the day.
Yep. Yep. Right here. Look. We can't make the bullshit right here, and we do not make higher there at this time. Man, but yeah, we gonna see it. It's gonna be interesting day. And let's not short the buyers. They vicious. They tend to go crazy.
So who?
Do not short buyers. These buyers right here, they go crazy. These weekly buyers, yeah.
My old mentor used to say, when they got everything looking the same, expect some BS. They on something. I agree. Right. Yep. Chat. Nothing is 100% correct. Lil J say, Jose, new here. Want to go long on NVIDIA? Do I wait for October ending? Anything from a technical setup that would be a good level to enter? Let's go look at NVIDIA. Let me pull it up real quick. All right. Let's go pull it up. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up NVIDIA. He said, I fibbed the high and low of the day. We barely retraced 50% of the drop today. Got a Strat King. I mean, at the end of the day, we all saying the same thing. I mean, Dre's just saying, hey, I want us to retrace tonight so we can fall tomorrow. I just want us to sell straight the fuck off. Either way, we all saying tomorrow we're looking for a sale. However you want to flip it. All right, NVIDIA. So go ahead. What you about to say, Quadree?
I'm saying we pushing.
Yeah. Beats up.
Go ahead. Push it up, baby.
Come on.
We get to 10 o'clock. I'm going short. All right. So Lil J, NVIDIA. For me, bro, I would like to see if it could retest its prior breakout, which was like 153, 155. I can't tell you the exact time. You saying wait till the end of October. I would just say you need to find a price. For me, I like, if it could retest this prior all-time high, 153. That would be a level I will look at, and then, man, dog, if it gets sub 140, you might want to add again.
Kind of lowered the boat.
Yeah.
I ain't seen 140 in a minute on that stock.
Right. So that's what I would look at. And then Dre showing, yep, we got a good long. It's pushing up.
Yeah.
Well, the NQ pushing up. That's probably gonna. Let's see what is.
You should.
I don't really see is the Dow pushing up a little bit.
Whatever came out, Quadree was bullish in Japan.
The numbers were lower than expected. So I guess that was good.
I guess that's bullish.
Yeah, it looks like the Dow's going up a little bit.
Because soon 750 came, we got that reaction to the upside.
Yep. You got the Y. You got the Russell kind of going up just a little bit. Actually, this is a good thing, though. Push it up, open with another little, like old boy said, a gap and trap.
Gap and trap.
They're gonna gap like we did today. We opened with a gap up and shit. We made like maybe one little push for the first minute, and after that, they was selling that jank down for the rest of the day until they wicked it up towards the end of the day.
Yeah. Shit made no sense. Yeah, we could drop her here again. Mm-hmm.
We just hit. Did we rally? I think we hit it. Yep. So on the NQ, it looks as if we just bounced up to Tuesday's low. I want to say I think the ES did the same thing where it bounced. Yep, ES definitely for sure hit Tuesday's low. Went a little bit past it. The Dow not quite, and then RTY. That shit, RTY look a real suspect. I ain't even going front.
Yeah.
All right, maybe that was the push for the evening. Get it out the way. Get that shit out the way, man. Sell this shit down, dog. Stop playing.
Yeah.
Let's see. Carrot, what's good, brother? He said the market does sell. I'm excited for Amazon. Yeah, man. Amazon, Amazon basically is like flat for the year. It's basically like flirting with its with like the New Year opening gap is what I was looking at. Let me go. Let me go pull up Amazon. So yeah, it closed 2024 at 219.39. Today's low was 219.45. That shit came 6 cents within 6 cents.
Okay.
You talking about Amazon?
Amazon is negative. What is it? It's negative for the year still?
No, it's not negative. It's basically barely positive.
Flat.
Like so,
flat.
yeah, you could basically say it's flat. Like it's positive 0.37.
God.
Not even a whole percent.
Yeah. Man. And so, what happened with Copper? Copper is running again. God damn. Copper. Damn. Okay. Oh, Copper moving again. Yes, sir. Yeah.
What about them? What they doing?
You
You monitor?
they push
Huh?
they push up today. They got a little push.
Probably on the back of that whole Argentina stuff.
Yeah, yeah. The
Why do you say
dollar
it's
push up also on
yeah,
that deal
the
push.
dollar been going crazy. Actually, it had a really good push. It's testing this morning support area when the market open. I'm not sure which one he talking about.
Who?
YD. He said it's testing this morning support area. I don't know. That's what Quadree's looking at.
Yeah.
What you got? What's that right there? The VVIX? Dre? What are you looking at?
This the babies, yeah.
What's that
Yeah.
saying?
We still above, so expect some volatility tomorrow again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we still above that 50. Then Q is above yesterday. What?
He said the NQ is testing this morning support area when the market opened. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what he's looking at, bro.
No, bro. No, I don't know. What Q you looking at? These CL, ooh, oil. Okay. What's going on over here?
Man, that ain't been going crazy.
Yeah. That happened. See. Okay.
Well, they said today or the UN Trump made some type of comment.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. NQ don't like when this joint goes up at all.
What oil?
NQ, yeah, NQ and oil don't get along.
See, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's a lot of anomalies that's happening right now.
Yeah, NQ and CL do not go alike. They
It's
hate each
CL
other.
going, and I think CL going up right now, ain't it?
Time lower time frame, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, a little
Or
bit.
it's just like flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just. Oh no, it actually looks like it's ready to continue its up move. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, it's almost. It's look. It's approaching 65, Dre. You already know what they're
Okay.
gonna do. You
Yeah.
know what time it is, bro. They about to buy that thing.
Yeah.
If it get
Yeah.
above 65, I can see it push you up 65, 66.
Yeah. I think that's the move. Hmm. Can see it. I like to see other charts when you know, when when things are looking
A little
suspect.
weird.
Yeah, I like to check all the gauges. You know.
Yes, sir. I feel it. All right, so this was the level that had to be.
This right here.
So yeah, the
Okay.
U.S. I see what's happening here. U.S. 500 is right at. Yeah, we gonna. This is where, at least for me, this is where the U.S. 500 slash. It's got to reject this 66.45 because that was, that's the outside bars low. You don't want to
Mhm.
get. You don't want to. Bounce back up to that.
Oh,
You want to see
there you got
rejection there.
NQ was broken around 11:30. It's coming back to the area. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh, see, that's what I was saying, Dre. That 11 o'clock candle. I was like, that
yeah,
it's like one big candle, and then after that, it kind of just like leveled off.
yeah. Hmm. Yeah.
And so that's where the NQ pushed back up to. So yeah. NQ support was broken around 11:30. I got you. Yep. That's it. I
I
saw the same thing.
seen. Yeah. But
Because I seen your Apple 300 tweet the other day. Can you explain your thesis? Maybe where to get in? So my thesis on it is pretty simple. The average annual return on out. Well, I'll show you. Let me show you the chart.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make this dark mode. Let's go Apple. Uh, all right. I'm gonna just say Mr. Beast. All right. So if you go look at Apple, right? This is Apple on a yearly chart. Let me move this comment out the way real quick. Um, so if you go back, what year we in? 2025. Let's go back to 2015. So 2015, the yearly return for Apple was negative 4.6%. It had a down year. Following year, it was up 10%. The following year was up 46% in 2017. 2018, we know what happened that year. It was down about 7%. Then in 2019, up 86%. 2020 up 80%. 21 it was up 33%. In 2022, we had a bear market. It was down 26%. The following year in 23, up 48%. And then last year was up 30%. So if you just take the annual performance when it's not a down year, that's easily 25%. And that's the low end because it was a few 80s and stuff like that. So if you say they 25% and then it closed at 250, 25% from 250 gets you up to 313 on Apple. Now that's just annual performance, right? If you want me to go deeper into my thesis, well, shit, just look at your Facebook feed. Everybody was buying iPhone 17s. Right? Everybody's buying iPhone 17s. Not only that, they still have 100 billion cash on their balance sheet or something like that.
Yep.
Not only that, they still make 90 billion in revenue almost every quarter. And then last but not least, they still have yet to truly say what their AI thesis is. So one of the reasons Apple stock is flat right now is because the street believes they're behind on AI. As soon as they say this is their AI strategy and it comes to fruition that this is what they're gonna do with AI and they not behind in the AI race,
Yep.
$300
Immediately.
immediately, right? Okay, another thing that I'll help you out with is I like to do market cap. So at a if Apple were to get to a 4 trillion valuation or 4 trillion market cap, the stock price would be at roughly, I think, 268. If you do watch this, what would Apple stock or what would what's Apple's ticker? APPL?
AAPL.
AAPL. That's what would Apple stock price be at a 4.5 trillion valuation? 4.9 market. Oh my lord. So if you take the current shares outstanding and if Apple was able to grow to a 4.5 trillion valuation, the stock price would be 378. So take it how you want, my guy. You could do annual performance, you could do fundamental valuation, and again, I gotta go back to I have to go turn off the dark theme. But last but not least, I'm a fib guy. I like fibs. I look at my fib extension. The 161 extension is 316. That pretty much coincides with the 25%, which is 313. So yeah, that's how I got to 300, bro.
Game. That was game right there.
I gave you 3 different ways. I gave you fibs, I gave you market cap, I gave you percentages.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just giving $1 million worth of game for not for free.
So, you say, and if that's if shares outstanding stay the same. Correct. Oh wow. So good point, Carl. Every buyback lowers the outstanding shares. So you're absolutely right. That's if the shares stay the same. We know Apple has a 100 billion buyback program. 100 billion buyback program.
Damn.
So you're right. If they reduce the share count, the price only go higher. So thank you for that, Carl. You are absolutely right.
Shit, Carl.
Not to say it can't do 313 by year end, but I'm looking at that wick, which in my opinion could be some of the run. I'm on that was a yearly chart. That was a hell of a rejection, chat.
How you? How much do you think the daily profit?
Yeah, that was a question for you, bro. He said, how much do you think the daily profile helps you with your decision making throughout the day? That's a good question.
Bro, without that, I wouldn't be the trader I am today. Can't see you, bro.
Yo, Carl,
Carl, he lived by that thing, boy.
Bro, ain't no way, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro.
He lived by that.
Whatever he tells, I listen.
Shoot, I definitely use it for targets, boy. Like today.
Yeah. I gotta get you in a 101, bro. I'm gonna teach you some things. I'll show you some things that
What's
I
good,
discovered.
Jay?
Bro.
Jay is in the building. Jay, what that gamma hitting for, man? So far, my weekly gamma outlook been on point. It's probably heavy gamma at 6,600. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure they piling up at that 6,600.
Let's see.
Let
me go check.
What? Are we checking?
No, I'm just saying like gamma.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I know it's probably heavy at 6,600.
It was. Let me see.
Because you don't. If you lose 6,600, we go to 6,550 pretty fast. So if that 6,600 don't hold, we gonna go to 6,550 quick. They can appear to outperform or mask losses by simply buying back enough shares, and Apple can do that. Yep, that's facts, Carl. Jay said, "Yep, 6,600."
Yeah, that's what I got. 66 here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And so 6,600 on SPX is equivalent to about, on the ES, that would be like, that'd be about like 66.60 to like 66.55. Jay said a lot of short puts there for sure. I feel the same way, Dre. I watched my read on the markets get more precision or more precise is to use the tools and lessons that Pat gave us. Strong arms.
Yes, sir. Sharpshooter. Boom. Mm. Let's see.
Feel like they about to play around the rest of the evening.
See, that's why I'm like gold moving up too with it. Like, come on, bro.
You said what?
Gold up too. Like,
Gold up right now?
yep.
Damn,
About,
it is. See, man,
about,
yeah, they about to do what they did. They about to do what they did last night, bro. They playing around, bro.
It's cool. Yeah. They're playing games. I mean, they
I mean,
moving tonight.
you got gold up, you got the NQ pushing, you got oil up.
Yeah. Oil.
Yeah.
so I ain't look at oil in so long. I'm looking at the chart.
No. Oil looking popping, bro. Telling you right now.
Yeah, the last 2 days it had some pretty good up days. I ain't
Yes,
even gonna
sir.
hold you.
Nah, for sure, bro. Oil about to go crazy. Yeah, man. 65 and above, we buying, bro. I don't care.
Yeah, man. I had my wrong market this morning. I
What's
mean,
up?
shoot, you could have took the long on this shit too. This morning. Well,
on
this morning.
what, on oil?
Yeah, I'm that way right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Yeah, I'm on oil right now. Yeah, this is oil. This morning, the thing with oil, you gotta buy in London. London is a low day for London type of shit.
I was about to ask you about that. I always noticed that like it don't do jack squat shit during Asia, but some odd reason London come around, that's when you just see a big ass candle. That joint you be like, "Chow."
Yeah, London is. That's why London trade low. CL. Gold trade like Asia. So gold is popping now.
Yeah.
That shit. They move in gold, move Asia and London. They move both. And then
yes, London do love gold. That is for sure, bro.
yeah, yeah, man. Copper too. Copper removing London.
Oh, copper.
I'm about to take this short on gold right now.
Damn, what? Yo, you in that short mentality, man? What's going on, Quadree?
Hmm?
You short?
I'm short on gold right now.
Go.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't know. I lost my touch in that market, bro.
has my setup. No, I'm just so like just gotta do what I see.
Yeah, I'm about to
Huh?
take. Yeah, I'm about to take that with you, Quadri. I'm gonna take it on the paper trade.
Quadree, they gave me
That
this
look good.
joint. You mess with SMT?
Yeah, that's all I use it. Actually, I'm about to take
Like
it, bro.
live SMT. They gave me this joint, but it's $25. But if you use it, it's the 7 day free. You want to try it? I can give you the link.
Don't worry.
Quadri, I'm short on gold at 78.9.
Yeah, mine
Are we,
is.
are we sure? I'm a sure NQ. Let's go.
You ain't short at AQ. Stop it.
I'm not sure that thing right now.
I was about to say you was not about to short the AQ, bro.
Nah, bro. Shit. Yeah, man. Mm-mm.
This is
That's
Yeah,
seven.
SMT.
That 780 on NQ do look like a little juicy spot though. Like 780 to 790.
No, no, chap. You right. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, not yet. What's your target? Oh, London OTC is the laggard. Yeah, there you go. Car be knowing he He's a broke. He was one of
He
those.
said London OC is the largest in Comex for metals. Got it. Okay, that makes sense. Now it's good to know.
Quadree, what I was gonna say. How
Oh,
you use
Chaps, he looking
SMT?
for 780. We almost there. Yeah, he just trying to get to that 780. That's about that low. Um, that's literally.
Oh,
I
I
think
mean
that's
he was
Monday
low
level.
for 740, so you got 40 points in your belt. You better not let that go red, bro. You better take some up. You better.
Oh yeah, he aiming for Tuesday low. I see what he aiming for. That's right. That's 24,
Shit.
7, 80, 50. Right there, that Tuesday low.
Come out
Yes,
there,
Shit,
sir.
we got almost there. We hit 777. It got
Yeah,
like
so
within
there
3 points.
you go.
We got right there.
There you go.
I'm about to hit TP on gold already.
Okay.
On your short,
Yeah, I think like this is 4 points.
you when you trade, do you be doing the minis or you do
No, I'm doing micros.
doing the micros?
Yeah, because gold I be forgetting like on a regular joint, it's like every ticket like $10.
Hell yeah, dog. That's why you gotta do the micros.
Yeah, yeah, one little
Shit.
loss mess you up.
Hell yeah. I remember one time I made a mistake and did the minis on gold. Yo, I swear that shit moved like 2 points. I was down like $500. I was like, yo, what the fuck happened?
Yo, they be a savage too because you can't get that. You can't get that back. No
You know what? Oil is the worst, bro. Oil, shit, bro. Let's see. You got caught in the wrong trade. Shit, peace out.
I don't think I've ever traded oil, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
And the Nikkei, oh my lord, 25 is $500, bro. It's crazy. The
Damn.
Nikkei,
You ever traded the
yeah, I
traded
traded
before?
Nikkei. Yeah, I traded a little bit.
yeah, I used
Back when I
to be trading with him with
back when I was watching my boy from Topstead, Dakota. Yeah, he got me on the Nikkei, but nah, it's not for me, bro.
Shit, he said ain't nothing short. This gold short doing good. I don't know what chap talking about.
Yeah,
It
you got.
does.
I understand we got married. I mean, married. And
It probably Meng and Q.
I just hit TP. I understand.
Let's go.
That's my funded, but yeah, like I understand married instrument, but sometimes, man, oof.
Damn, silver is $25 a tick. About to trade that shit. Hell yeah, shit. That's bullets right now. When is the low day for that market? Let me see. Let me see.
Wait,
Silver.
which one is that?
Silver. Oh, we don't got anything.
You can't trade it. I don't think. I do. So you
Yeah,
asked me.
I think you can.
You asked me about. So Dre, you asked me about the SMT. So all I do is pretty much. I mean, I just look at them side by side. Like a lot of times, for example, when NQ not. It happened the other day. It happened on Monday. No, it happened yesterday.
Tuesday. Yeah.
Yes, formed with my setup. Yes, formed it was going down. NQ was lagging. We never swept any highs or lows. When we didn't sweep the high,
Oh, NQ, no.
we didn't sweep the high on NQ, but you could have went short looking at ES.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's why when I trade gold, I use silver because most of the time silver leads gold.
So
my
my
bad.
boy told me this. Let me show you. Look. So yesterday, right here, YM and ES took this high, previous day high.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And NQ didn't.
Did not.
So that was SNT. This NQ was the weaker. That's why we dropped the most here.
Yep.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So that's why I say the lagging instrument is the strongest one.
So this will be the stronger to the downside.
Yes.
Gotcha.
That's why when you see me when I'll be having the ES and the NQ up. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. And then another thing is when YM trades up, NQ trades down, and vice versa.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Like this morning, we were
Yeah.
short NQ. YN was up
Mm.
in the beginning when the market opened.
I be
Yeah.
hating when that happened because that shit makes the ES like do nothing.
Yeah, yes. That's yes is like yeah.
I'd be like, come on, man.
You were watching the car. Yeah, that's when he started last year. When he started, he stopped the run, and yeah, everybody thought he was the goat.
So what Carl said?
Now when Dakota came to draft it,
Oh, word.
he he came with the NKD shit.
Yeah, Dakota be doing the slow markets.
Yeah, they could be everywhere, bro. That guy loves
Yeah, he
trading.
do it. He yo, I'm like, bro, when you sleep? Because he do late night, then he be live in the morning. He be,
That guy's a machine, bro.
yeah. Hey, by the way, oil is like starting to push up. It's definitely about to look like it's about to go green.
Yeah,
I
let's pay
don't
attention to.
But
I think I missed the move on this stack, bro.
not in the trade. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go trade.
all right. Can where chat back? Can we get 780 before 9 o'clock? You got 15 minutes. See if we can make a push this next 15 minutes. It's 5 points off. I think he can get there by 9.
Yeah, he said he took profit. He cool. He 80%. He got runners.
Yeah. Leave him running
Good,
for
good
800.
smart. That's smart, bro. Good shit, bro.
Oh, right back to that 777.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in paper gold still short.
Still short.
Yeah, I'm gonna let that. Yep.
Yeah, well, I took profit on my regular joint. I'm just that I was that paper trade already.
Mm. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, yo.
Yeah, Dre, like the SMTs, though, you can catch the NQ move, bro. Like at the top.
Yeah. So that's the only reason I would use that thing for that.
No, it don't happen every time though.
Nah.
So it's the only drawback. But I mean, but usually like when I see that, I get just like a more confluence. Like that's like
Yeah.
I'll go heavier in position when I see SMT
Mm-hmm.
because most of the time the joint work out.
Yeah. Like I would not like today. I mean, today was market was an easy day, but I'm not used to getting all those points. Like I'm not that type of trader. I want to be, but this move right there
I would say
that don't happen.
you keep yourself, bro, the way it is. That joint killing.
Yeah, that shit was.
Right. Don't
You don't need
change
to
it
be.
up. If it ain't broke, don't
I need
fix
to
it,
be
bro.
messing with man, bro. You got a strategy then that. Listen.
Yeah.
Tell him, Quadree. Oh no, he said he taking 80% at Chap said he taking 80% at 780. He didn't take he got 2 points. He's almost there. He about to get it. Here it comes.
My boy not playing.
We just
Let's
got a
go.
15.
Let's go, chat.
We just got a
Let's go.
15-minute switch over.
Yeah,
Can he get it?
I think so.
Now I do say this, your train view getting a little corny with all these one you up stuff.
Wait, what?
And I had alerts. I didn't know I had a certain amount of limit before I have to upgrade.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like what?
Limit? What are you talking? Damn.
Yo, it's
strong.
see something new.
They
They
wild.
trying to get their bread. They want me to get the premium plus.
Just want to get you. Hell yeah.
That's the only thing about this game, bro. Everything is fees, bro.
Yeah.
Fees. Just like remember like streaming used to be cool. Then you realize it's more than the cable bill. I'd be like, dang, yo, I got something charged me today.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Holiness. Yes, sir.
But that's why I get better with leaving out or leaving runners though.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm working on.
Because I be getting tight though when you do have a runner and that joint go back to break even. I'm like, dang, I could have had a whole extra $300.
Yeah. So what I do, right? So what I did today, I took the market open short, but I didn't get all those points. I got it onto pre-tour mid,
Mm-hmm.
and then I waited, and by when I got short again, 10:45, yeah, 10:45, bro. I got short. Took profit. Got short. I at 11:30 again, and that one was the one that just kept going, never came back.
Yep. As soon as we got off the Zoom.
Yeah, I was like,
As
oh,
soon as we got off the Zoom, bloop.
yeah, that shit said, whoa, let's go. And it just came perfect to this box, bro. You cannot make that up, bro. Even if I want to, I can't. This is not drawing, guys. This is not me drawing. This is an indicator right there. This is crazy.
Come on now. We got 12 minutes. What y'all gonna do?
About to go down, bro.
Hmm?
We're about to go down.
Yeah, it's a bearish setup for me right now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see. We take some short with the people. Damn, you took profit, bro. Big
Who?
separation tomorrow.
Yeah, Jay said another VIX expiration. Nah, he ain't take nothing yet. He holding until 780, bro.
Damn, bro. And chat.
They playing with him. No, they keep touring. They keep getting right there because bro, we literally hit 779.
Yeah.
1
Yeah,
point,
bro.
bro. You gotta be kidding me.
We call it tick tonight. Quadree knows. He knows about that shit.
Yep. But wait. It's a 99% though. We get it though.
No. Remember that day in the phone with you, bro? Shit.
Oh no, I'll take profit.
I know. 1 minute left. That would not be profit.
Hey yo, y'all see Zion get lipo?
Yeah, that nigga he looks sick.
He's saying that so good, and he's like,
he looked good. I mean, for real, like they've been on him about his weight forever.
I know he was in rehab stressing.
Dang.
He can't get no food.
Shit. Yo, chat, why 770, bro? This level right here.
So we get this closure, I'm gonna take a paper short though.
Yeah. You don't want to close below this 770.
Yeah.
Why you say that, Dre?
Last previous day mid.
Mm-hmm.
It means previous 12 hour mid. Right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that can be used as support resistance type of level. So we reject it on the 15-minute close. and come back into I can turn to resistance and take us down. I'm not saying it's not gonna come back again. I just saying it might get some move down and
Uh-huh.
then come back again. Like
I'm sure it.
yeah.
Okay.
So you want a 15 minute to close above it. This 15 minute
Above
candle start
70.
lose.
You saying above
So
770, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's see what happens. So wait a minute. So you saying that's 9 o'clock then? You want to make sure by 9 o'clock it stay above because
Yeah,
that's the 15 minute.
yeah. Cause a new hour open always
Yeah.
either move down fast,
Mm-hmm.
15 points. Yeah. Unless he's those TP or stop loss type of players, that's different. Mhm.
Yo,
Yeah,
that's
car.
there you go.
There
Ooh,
you go. He
pushing back up.
Yes, yes, sir. That's what he wants. That's what you want, bro.
We got 8 minutes. They about to go. We about to go.
Yeah.
5 more points. Come on now.
Hmm. Yeah.
Quadri, you said this. You said we had news at 8:30, right?
No. 8:30 tomorrow morning. I was talking about the news that we had was 7:50. It passed already.
Mhm.
Oh, that was the only one. Not at
Yep.
9 or 9. Okay.
Tomorrow's what? Thursday?
Yep.
We got some. What country is this? What the China? Swiss.
I wonder if they were. You said
We got some
early.
Swiss. s-
No, they don't.
Yo, we got Hello News at 8:30 tomorrow. God damn.
Yeah, I just
Wow.
looked at that. I didn't realize we had we got durable goods. I mean, we
Yeah.
got GDP, unemployment claims, durable goods. You got a few Fed speakers. You got a shit ton of Fed speakers tomorrow. They like popping off
Yeah.
Yeah.
all day, all day.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. I like it. My type of day. Yeah. Yes, sir. Go. Hmm. How Tesla doing? Tesla went crazy today, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Hell
that
yeah.
was what I don't how like
What
what
the
what
fuck?
happened.
Yo, li- lithium. Shit. I like that shit. They need that shit.
I was just
Yo,
surprised by it.
damn. Wow.
You said
Wow.
how?
I say, wow.
Yeah.
Man, June was allowed to buy, bro.
Mhm.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you what's funny about Tesla, dog. If you go on Tesla, like if you're on Trading View, you can like people have like ideas and shit like that. And like it's like a whole like each ticker they have like chat boards. Bro, if you go
Mhm.
to Tesla's like little chat board, it's so bearish. It's crazy.
Yeah. Right here?
Uh Let me see.
You on Forex right now?
Yeah, how? I don't know.
Nah, you gotta. I don't know if you could really. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I can never see it on the desktop app. I only can see the thing that I'll be talking about when I'm on my phone.
Oh, where?
All right, well,
Yeah,
so,
like I have. It's called because it's like you can. It's called Minds. That's the
so
tab.
all right, Dre, go to click out of that. Like go back to the
Actually,
chart.
there you go. Actually, if you click that little them that thing right there, yeah, click that.
This?
Yeah. Like if you have a post or something, like that's the only way I can see it when I be on my desktop. Other than that, I don't know how to
You
really
gotta go
get.
to all right, exit out of this. Like go to where it say Tesla at.
Here?
You go back, type in Tesla again, and then have it the thing pop back up.
What? Oh, you mean this?
Yeah, the information. Yeah, all right, click on Tesla now. Like the actual the link below it. Yeah. And there's gonna be ideas and shit. It's gonna be something ideas it's called.
Hmm.
Yeah, ideas.
Okay, yeah. See, that's one, right? And then there's another one that says Minds. But again, I only can see it when I be
Click
on my phone.
discussions. Click discussions. Maybe it might be discussions.
Nope, there you go. That's it. So on the phone it say Minds, but that's it.
This is
Like
it.
look at the second comment. Oh my, shorts are cooked. Like yo, that shit be funny, bro.
Let's see. Yes, sir. Tessie. Dang. Hey, man. Wait a minute. I hate looking at this chart, bro.
Wow.
How much money I left on that table, bro? Wow.
You was the main one talking about you was talking to ChatGPT.
Yes, he
I
was.
did.
He was big bull Tesla too, yo. He definitely was big bull on Tesla.
Yeah. Wow. Freaking April kill me, bro.
Did we get 780 yet? We still ain't hit that shit.
No.
About to
No.
We got 1 minute till 9 o'clock.
Hmm.
They gonna do it right at 9. Watch, Dre.
Yeah. Big ass wick.
Yeah, we get a big pop.
Let me see.
Which would be perfect because you would take out the last hourly high. The last hour, this what 8 o'clock high is 779.
Yeah. That would be at Q4 high. Maybe a Q1 high.
There
Crazy.
you go.
There you go.
1 minute.
Come on, chat.
9, 8.
Poop. Right here, chat. I'm gonna put it right there.
There you go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's a lot of pressure, chat.
And come on now.
Really? Come on. Give it to him. One time.
One time.
One time, man. Stop playing.
Yeah. That remind me of the what you call it videos, bro. The gambling joints, dude be like, one time. One time, one time. One time.
Oh man, yo, come on, man. No way, what?
Oh shit. Oh god. Guess what
Why you
Tesla
so-
is? Yo, Tesla's at 450 after hours.
What? Yo. No,
What is going on?
lithium, bro.
Huh?
Man, I'm telling you, ever since Elon sat next to Trump at that funeral, I just been on crazy.
Well,
Yeah,
you ain't lying.
444. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm up. I'm up 8% on well, TSL 8%.
Wow.
Is TSL a leverage play?
Yeah, bro. That's why I'm cooking on it.
Yeah.
I'm cooking.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
it
A
looked
lot of
like
left.
Tesla. It looked like Tesla, the only thing that's moving overnight.
Yeah.
There must be some huge announcement about to come out soon, bro.
There's got to be something, bro. The way they buying this shit up.
Oh, Elon got money. Maybe do some crazy shit. I wouldn't be surprised he do some crazy shit, bro.
Ooh, Elon.
Yeah.
Yo, imagine that. Imagine Apple, Apple pair up with Tesla.
Hey,
Who that gonna benefit more, Tesla or Apple?
damn.
Probably Apple,
Oh,
especially with this they did the robotics and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Because Apple gotta be doing some with AI. There's no way in the world they just that. I can't think they just that naive and stuff.
they have to, bro. No way.
It's like, bro, you can't be left behind to think these phones is going to do it. Like,
You know what? I think Apple is. I'm gonna be real with you. I think this to me. I think this is Apple's strategy. They don't want to spend all that money on capex,
yo,
so they're letting everybody else spend all this money,
Hmm.
and then once it's like perfected or whatever, they gonna partner with somebody or whatever, and it's only gonna cost them a fraction of what it would have cost them to, had they did all the capex and all that shit out themselves, and they're gonna end up getting access to whatever they need anyway, and they gonna save a boatload of money.
like saying who did it first, but who did it better.
Facts. That's and that's like they motto.
Right.
They ain't afraid to steal
Yeah, like they don't never really be the first, but they do shit better.
because they got a lot of money on their books, cash flow.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think
Yes, sir.
they gotta be something bigger because I know that they can't just be sitting there like, oh, we just chilling. I know they not. They got something in the work.
Hey, Quadree, you still in that gold short? My shit is still doing pretty good.
Oh, I got stopped out. I got stopped out with $20 profit.
Even on the paper joint.
Yeah, because it had went back up and now it's going back lower.
Yo, this is crazy that we can't like.
Wow. You know it's bad when you got me checking Facebook, bro.
He says what?
It's real when you got me checking Facebook.
Mhm.
It's getting to play your time, bro.
Oh yeah, it's almost October. You're right.
Hmm.
Ain't October? October, yeah, that's postseason time for.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Ooh, gold going crazy.
That's what I said,
What?
bro. I'm looking at, I was like,
It's him
ooh,
about to hit my TP though. My original.
Oh,
yeah, go. I'll show you. I did
yeah. There you go. Yeah.
yeah, my joint. They joined up.
Mhm.
Looking at his 12 hour. It's probably linger here, but then just like yesterday, where kind of did this overnight, and then during the cash session, come down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's
I
go.
feel it. He said he dealing with his little one. I knew you know it's funny though. When I seen the NQ pushing up, I'm like, what the hell is going up? Let me go. As soon as I go look at Tesla. Well, there you have it. See, that's the market. I'm gonna tell you, these market makers, they are smart, boy. But they playing one hell of a game, boy. On that note, fellas, I read an article yesterday, and they were saying how we may not really like. He basically was saying we're gonna get a pause versus a pullback. Like he was like basically like, yeah, I can see the market consolidating before like the next leg up. Like he didn't, he wasn't even really on some like, oh yeah, we got to pull back. He was just like, yeah, we'll get a quick little pause, and then the next leg will begin.
Yep.
And I've read, and I'm like, that makes sense because we talked about it in our community, which is like, you look around the market, there's still some bullish setups.
A lot of bullish setups.
And it's like, okay, when one thing take a pause, they go right into something else.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right. And they always go into something else that can do enough to kind of like keep the market at bay.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Right. Because it's like right now, like when we was in August and we thought shit was about to take a drop, Apple came in and saved the day.
Yes, it did.
Yeah.
And now here we are where it looks like something could go down. Who's coming to save the day? Tessie.
Yeah.
Right? Like Tesla is coming out of nowhere saving the day. And then now I'm looking at the market and I'm saying to myself, I feel like, also Google, shout out to Google. Google played its part and saved the day with this run.
Yes, it did.
But I feel like the two that they waiting on next and they saving is Amazon and Meta.
Yep. Because when them things get to ripping, because Meta,
you feel me? Because like,
there's no way to Meta just sitting here below 800 like that, bro. We supposed to have been at 800.
That's what I'm saying. I'm looking at Meta like, how is Meta not above 800 yet? So clearly they waiting. And I'm telling you, right when we think something going to happen or whatever, they're going to rotate into Amazon and Meta, and it's going to be Amazon and Meta running together.
That's facts.
Like, go pull up Meta chart, Dre. It actually recovered pretty well today, actually. Low key.
There you go.
Yeah, like low key, it had a nice little. Yep, it put in a hammer. So let's see what it do. And I saw some bullish unusual options activity on Meta too.
Yeah, so I learned this joint. Take this too high.
Damn, this what you call the trade is cooking.
Yeah, TP now.
Ooh. Wow.
So
gold. The gold trade cooking. That shit up 250 right now.
Wow.
What's that right there you showing us, Dre?
I saw somebody using.
I thought you was about to show us something on Meta.
Somebody took. Let me see. Right. Yeah. Say the previous high with the recent local high,
Mm-hmm.
extend it across, and when it comes down again, use your support. So on the
Mm-hmm.
weekly, like came, now it's
Mm-hmm.
holding
Mm-hmm.
760. You want to stay above 760.
That's facts.
So above 760, we could still run, and I don't know, 5-10%.
That should be about 810.
Yeah,
That's the price target I got for it, 810.
8%. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yep.
So
I'm looking up.
something with Bitcoin. Bitcoin became weekly. Oh, this is not Bitcoin.
That's the market cap.
Yeah, there you go. The hell is that? There you go. To your previous high.
Kevin said Amazon and the holidays around the corner. Yes, they are. Oh, that's Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't like that rejection at that red line.
No.
That don't look too good.
Well, yeah. You want to stay above 120. If Bitcoin reclaims 120, then body keep going. If not, if not, I don't know. Yeah.
Honestly, what it's we got about a week left before we get into Q4. I think Bitcoin ain't doing nothing but loading up before rocket ship.
So I remember that run at the end of last year, bro. We was at like 60 something thousand, and we just end up at 100 out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So
What's good about
also,
Bitcoin? It's just been chilling. It ain't really going down too much.
hmm,
Or you get down to certain levels, it's being bought back up.
how the hell I know? Okay. So I learned today this say. I don't know if you know this, but whenever Bitcoin close below the 50 EMA on
Mm-hmm.
the weekly, 2 weeks
Mm-hmm.
below, cycle's over. So you want to see? Let's see together. I never done this. I just heard that today. So let's see what happens when we close below this 50.
Do you
Close
have this?
below.
I can't even see a 50. Is it that orange line? You got? Can you make that?
Your joint, you can barely see. You got dark in it.
That shit. I'm like, bro, you need a darker color. Make it. There you go.
Oh
There
my
you
God.
go.
All right.
I was like, you got an EMA up?
Yeah.
All
So
right.
2022, we need
Yep.
2 weeks close. 1, 2,
Mm-hmm.
cycle over. 22, bear mark.
Mm-hmm.
18, 1, 2, cycle over. 18. And then 2011, same thing. 2 weeks close, cycle over. So I learned that today. So now the guy said that it should be by Friday. We should be at 99, 100K. So on this weekly 50. So
What guy said that?
But you said about Friday?
Yeah.
on
That's it.
Friday, not the price. I'm saying this will move up. This EMA will be by yeah.
You
No,
went
no, no,
because I was like, wait a minute, what?
That's like
no,
one day. It's like one day. I mean,
no,
tomorrow,
yeah, no. We still got upside. We still got upside on Bitcoin.
my only rebuttal to that is that we bouncing off the 20 weekly. We created a wick off of that on the weekly.
Yeah, we already did. Yeah, that's what I called last week. That's what the BTC divided by by this. We had on the week in the 20 EMA. We hold it right there. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that means we still alive.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Larry said, "Y'all still on?" Yeah, we probably about to wrap up soon. Probably wrap it up about 9:30 tonight.
Yeah,
Hey, Quadree. On another note, bruh,
yes, sir.
have you been watching those 26,900 Tesla calls,
No, I haven't, but I'm pretty sure they're still there.
bro? They are still there, and not only are they still there today, 3,500 in volume came in on them. Ever since you mentioned them that day. So put it this way: you mentioned them on September 11th because that's when I added it to the watch list.
Yep.
At that point in time, it was $8, bro. Today they $17.90.
Shit.
Shit's up 122%. And whoever owns these ain't been budging. Like that big order that came in,
No,
they still sitting there in them joints.
bro, I took profit with those in June at 130%, and then they dipped, and now they back at the same.
They higher now.
Wow.
So I made it
That's
bought them
crazy.
like I probably bought them at like 600-700.
That's crazy.
Let them drop again.
You know who else had relative? You know who had relative strength today? They got a really decent setup. It's Qualcomm. They actually performed really good today. Out of a lot of the chips was pulling back, but they did all right.
Yeah, I did the Tesla. Ooh, I added that. So those things been here since March. I added the play March 23rd.
Yep,
So he been just chilling there.
he's been chilling. Strat King. So there was a big buyer a while back on I think it's the June. I think it's the hold up, let me go see. I think it's the June 2026 joints, bro. Give me 1 second. Let me go look at them. Yeah, the June 26 900 calls on Tesla. There was like a big buyer that came in a while back. And that OI still sitting there. That OI still sitting there.
Hey. Tesla.
You know what? I want to see if that Facebook, if that Meta OI still there. Do you remember that one, Quadree? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find them shits though.
Dang. Was it 1,000 call?
Nah, bro, they were like
Or 8?
they were no, the strike price was like 14.
1,400. Right.
I think I found them. Nope, that's not it. Let me see. Nope, that ain't it. It gotta be the January 27th then. It's only certain chains that go to that have a damn strike. They must have closed them out. I don't see it no more. Yeah, I think they might have closed them out because or no, hold on, let me go see. Hold up. Nope. Yeah, I think they might have closed these joints out, bro. I could have sworn they were like super forward though. Yeah, I don't see the OI. I think they might have closed them out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it was wild though. Strat King, you said that's crazy. It only got a 17 delta and a 12 theta. Which ones you talking about? And he said it's a lot of people in the 940 and a lot more in the 960. I think you talking about Tesla?
You got it.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, somebody betting big, bro.
That 3 trillion. Was it 9 trillion? Was it
3 trillion?
Yeah, 3 trillion. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God. I see it. I just pulled it up. Hey, bruh, it's 135K open interest on the 960 June 26th.
God.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Damn.
God damn. What do they know?
How much they going for? That's a question.
$15. That's expensive.
Ooh, 15?
Yes.
I don't know. They can leave those.
You said what?
They can have that.
Right. For you damn near $500 out the money, you still want $1,500?
But they gonna print though.
You think so?
I mean, we of course Tesla has to move up at a rapid rate, but what's the strike again?
Go to the June 26th,
Oh,
top of the chain, bro. It's literally the last strike.
Damn.
Oh nah. I wouldn't even take that even if I was them days get killed either way.
That's crazy. He said, but they moving, hit a low of 1320 today, high of 1550. So they moving daily. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that Tesla have a negative 5% day. See how they move.
My thing is you get a big red day, them shit's getting crushed.
Again. Lord.
Yeah.
Let Tesla have a negative 10% day real quick. I scoop them up for $1.
Yeah.
Them things gonna get dusty.
Yeah. Let's see.
Dre, how we have not hit 780 yet, bro?
Chat, bro. Chat curse.
What's the high on that wick right there, bro? What's the high on that wick on that candle?
7.
No, to your right, in your box. No. Yeah, there you go. That the latest candle that's forming right now. Yeah, that one. What's that high?
778.75.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm in the short still. My stop loss was 79.
Yeah.
Well, on MNQ.
It's paper. I'm in regular AQ.
Oh, okay.
I forgot I was even in it till you just mentioned it.
Hey,
Yo, what's oil doing? Let me go take a look at oil.
oil. Oh,
It's back down. Yeah, this about to be a chill overnight. I can see. Ain't too much really going on.
nah.
The only thing that really got like any activity on it has been the NQ. And come to find out, a lot of it is associated to Tesla.
Hmm.
There you go. Now it's pushing. Come on.
There you go.
Right. It's 2 points away. Come on, Tesla.
There you go.
Come on,
You
Tesla.
know.
Come on, Tesla.
TP. Ah.
Yo, chat.
You saw that? It backed off a little bit.
Just take the profit, B.
Yo, chat, just like that shit, bro. It's
Profit.
about to drop to 40.9.
Look, soon as he take it, it's
Yeah,
gonna hit his profit target.
Yeah, that's how it go.
Strat King said the
There you go.
960. Strat
There
King
you
said the
go.
960 was 550 last week before the pop. Yeesh. Damn, we hit 79.50, bro. We still ain't hit 80 yet.
Take the profit.
Hey. Oh my god.
Bro, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
Mm.
We got 2 minutes before 9:30.
Yeah. 40 point drop.
Let me go see what Tesla. I'm about to go see what Tesla doing. $447. Damn, I can't believe that shit hit 449.
Yo, how you like Lululemon?
Like to close the wear?
I'm talking about where they snapping the chart. Ain't nobody buying that expensive clothing.
You said what?
Nobody buying that, bro. That junk expensive.
Then why would I like the stock if ain't nobody buying the clothes?
Hey, that junk been killed. But that junk, let me see. That junk is.
Hey, we hit 780 by the way, too, bro.
Where?
It like barely tapped it, but it hit it.
That thing is 68% from the highs, bro. Jeez.
I mean,
I wouldn't even want. This junk still high. It's at $179. This junk.
Who? Lululemon?
Yeah.
And dang. We got go in the club.
They gonna definitely get ripped doing it.
you said what?
They definitely gonna get killed.
What?
Lululemon. Somebody was talking about it. Really was talking about.
They got shit nice.
I'm not interested. I'm just saying this out there. Ooh.
Hey yo, this is so funny.
Yeah, 780. Let's go.
Oh yeah, we had got it too, Dre. I think he had like stepped away for a second, but we had got it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, he got the 780. Nice little retrace.
There you go. 40 points. There you go. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I want.
Well, and on that note, fellas, 7:30, we can wrap this up, man. Y'all got any final words before we biz ounce?
Yeah, I mean, we get downside tomorrow. Don't be too scared to buy. I'm just talking. Nah, for real though. Beware if you're already up on a lot of plays, especially when it comes to your portfolio. Just hold on if you got time. This is healthy. Shoot,
Sure.
tomorrow we could be up it. We could erase all this whole week and go positive. So you don't know. But
Right.
stick to your trading rules and your trading plan.
Facts. Yeah.
Facts. Yeah, man. I would say that I reiterate what you said, Quadree. I think the market is showing a little bit of I don't want to say sell to rip, but if we come into the morning kind of in like a gap up status, I wouldn't be surprised to see us sell down a little bit. This pullback is healthy in nature. So don't get shaken out no matter how bad it can get. Because literally, I think we measured it out. Like the NASDAQ can drop like 5% and it's actually still bullish. Like,
yeah.
So even with that being said, just keep that in mind. And then I would say to the other part is, keep that, watch out for that Argentina stuff. If you didn't see what we talked about, go watch the replay and look back on that, because I think that could be the key or the piece that seems like it comes out of left field, will spark a short little volatility, and then afterwards, shit will be all good. But other than that, yeah, man, follow your process, stick to your plan. We'll catch y'all next week on Tuesday. Y'all finish the week strong. And it's a beautiful thing because next Tuesday will be like before the last day of the end of the month. So we can talk about the quarter end and how September's going in.
Facts.
Bet.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Y'all have a good night, man. Late Night Leverage Crew is out.
Peace. Let's go.